Hi everybody, this is Rob Jolliffe. I'm President and Executive Consultant at Sabre Limited. Today I want to talk a little bit about barcoding. So barcoding is one of my favorite subjects because it's a little misunderstood, and I've run into a lot of companies that have really been a little bit confused about barcoding. So the first thing to understand is that there's two types of barcoding that people are referring to when they talk about it with respect to manufacturing in particular. One is labor collection from a shop floor where paperwork that's sent out has barcodes on it, and employees will scan that paperwork to record that they've started or stopped work. That's not what I'm talking about today. The other type of barcoding is carrying around portable devices like you'll see at a Lowe's, where the staff are able to scan shelves, scan stock, put materials in different places, ship it, receive it, etc. That's what I want to talk about today. Barcoding for warehouse control. So there's some decisions you have to make if you're looking at barcoding, and I'd say the most important is why are you looking at it? And there's a few different reasons why people might be looking at barcoding. If you're looking for barcoding because you lack inventory control, your inventory numbers in your ERP system are consistently wrong, or you're unable to get inventory numbers out of your ERP system, barcoding is probably not a very good choice. Barcoding doesn't help increase your inventory accuracy. It accelerates whatever is making your inventory accuracy wrong. It makes the process of choosing things and picking stuff and putting them away easier because people don't have to walk back to a computer terminal to do it. If they're currently not walking to a computer terminal to do those activities, they probably aren't going to use the barcode scanner to do it because they've never been trained to. So I would definitely put that as not a good choice. If you're looking at it because you are currently using your computer system and your inventory is relatively accurate, but it's incredibly tedious because staff have to do a lot of transactions, that's an excellent reason to look at a warehouse management system. So warehouse management system is an end-to-end product that allows you to keep track of all the different transactions that go on with your inventory. There are a variety of different products on the market that do this. Some of them are very heavily integrated for warehousing particularly and not for manufacturing. Some are a little bit better at both. The third reason that you might be looking at barcoding is shipping. You may have a challenge, and I've run into this numerous times in my career, where products get shipped to the wrong customer or the wrong product gets shipped to the right customer because the products look alike and it's hard to tell the difference between them. If you have that kind of situation, then you might want a more limited capability barcoding solution that is specifically just for your shipping problem. A good example of that would be something that would cross-reference the requirements of the customer's order with the items that you're trying to pack, and it would just warn you if you're trying to pack something that isn't part of that customer order. Those are excellent barcode solutions. I would actually say that in a lean using lean terminology, it's like a poke yoke, which is a mistake-proofing tool. So those are some examples of barcoding, and I would say that barcoding, like some of the other modules that are part of ERP systems, have a really wide variety of different levels of complexity and functionality and features. And there's many products out there in the market that support barcoding in many different ERP systems. If you're looking for a barcoding solution, I'd recommend starting by looking either at having the right ERP for your inventory control, or looking, if you have a good ERP, looking at the different barcoding systems that are available in the market that are designed to integrate with it. And whatever you do, remember, it's a big culture change for people who are not used to having to be responsible for recording this information to suddenly have to do it on a day-to-day basis. So good luck with that, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day, everybody.